Hi, my name is Mark King. I'm a South Wales based property cash buyer. One of the things that happens quite often is we get contacted by vendors that have got a property that's either got a short or defective lease. Now, this makes a property really difficult to sell in the open market, as a lot of mortgage lenders will either refuse to lend on that type of property or will offer a much lower loan to value, which is the amount that the buyer needs to put into the property in way of a deposit. What I actually do is I look at the valuation based on what the actual cost of either extending that lease is or buying the freehold if it's a house rather than a flat. For you as a vendor, what that actually means is that quite often I can actually pay a higher figure than what you'd get in the open market for that type of property, because what I will do is I will actually buy or extend a lease at the point of purchase. So if you've got a property that maybe's got a short lease, and a short lease could be any lease under 65 years, please get in touch. I'm more than happy to make you a cash offer and I'll be able to complete that very quickly.